She's taking the plunge.
Go, Marie. Go, Marie. Go, Marie.
Yes, it is. It's really cold.
Okay.
It's like freezing cold. You can't leave your feet in for more than a few seconds.
That's about what our reaction was.
Yeah.
Go, Marie. Go, Marie. Put them in.
Do I have to leave him in there for like a certain amount of time?
No, you just have to go like this.
Like this?
Like that, and then pull them in. Your
Jordan
friend,
and Joni's friend,
Amanda. Amanda got in and she stood
there. She's from up north. She's used to cold water.
We're Southern girls. We used to cold.
See here, well, I can leave them in a little bit longer. Oh my gosh, my feet are going to freeze.
Yeah.
That's enough. That's enough. Oh.
But it is cooling me off.
It
totally.
is.
The tongue portion.
The film.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I need a picture of this so I can connect this and a couple other outfits in. And you can email me the picture.
Yeah.
Could you do that?
Alright, and let's flip it over and see if the other side will
It'd be kinda
get
cool
the
to do that.
groove part of my tighten this down. I need to get this flattened out a little bit. Now I got a good flat surface. I'm good until I hit that knot right there. Then I'm going to have problems on it. But I can take. Now this one, you had to get the right plane because these were only made. This plane here will only work on 3/4 inch thick wood, and it's stamped 3/4 on the side. So in a shop, you would have a whole range of these from 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 1/4. Starting to mess up where that knot's at. Go all the way down, but see how it's working here. You get a piece like that. See?
That's wonderful.
Oh, wow.
Now I can also do like molding work. Like this one will do an OG edge on a board. Let me grab another piece of wood out here. Putting on what's called an OG edge. little thick. Just trim that piece off a little bit. Wind up.
That's for later, right?
There you go.
Oh, well, thank
You can see the edge that it puts on it.
That's awesome.
That.
6, it's got a maple stock.
Hello. Are you taking a movie?
Oh, yeah.
How are you?
This is a
Making
Wilcox
some
and Gibbs.
kindling
This
here.
is from early 1870s.
Are you hot in that shirt?
Mr. Gibbs was a farmer. He lived in Virginia. He saw a picture of a sewing machine, probably one like these, in a newspaper, and he decided to whittle him one out of, whoops, wrong way, out of wood, and that's his patent model.
1800s.
Now he couldn't find, couldn't see the
Yeah,
picture
it's,
of how the bottom
hand
part
groove.
worked,
It's-
so
they
he had
call
to
them
kind of
matchboard
figure it
things
out.
then.
And then
So you
he
had a
went
plain,
and into a
match
shop and
planes.
saw
This
one
one
in a
here
store
cuts
and realized
the
he had
groove
something
section
different
out.
and unique.
Right
In
here.
1857,
And,
which is only one
These were
thread,
sized
has
by
no
the
bobbin.
thickness of the wood.
If
This
you,
is
I don't know if you
3/4
can do it.
because it's designed
Under
to cut
here,
the
you
groove
can
in the
see
center
how
of the
it
3/4.
has a hook,
This one is made by Greenfield Tool Company.
and it makes a
This
chain
is a
stitch.
reproduction of their catalog.
And as a chain stitch, I've learned how to get it
Shows this
off
plane in
of
there,
the piece
on it. They were in business
without
in the
unraveling it,
1880s,
because
and
it
they
will
were
come
bought out by
unraveled.
another company.
And so in 1858, he came out with
Nope,
it and
nope.
sold it for
It was-
$50, where everyone else was selling theirs for
I think
$100.
it was Miller Falls.
And he
At bottom. Don't hold
would
me
let
to
me take
that.
it
I'm
home
not
for free
100% sure.
to try it, and he knew he'd get his money because
Eventually,
it is
you
a
had
really nice
Stanley
machine.
Tool Works. We're
The
buying
only
out
problem
a lot
I
of the
have with
smaller
it is when
companies.
I've done something wrong.
Knows, I think
And it lets
eventually
me
they
know.
bought,
That's for
them
sure.
out. But this one,
So I'll show you how I get it off when I get to the end here.
I was telling her I got this knot right here, so I'm starting to have
Get to
problems
the very
where that
end,
knot's
and
at.
I've learned to wiggle
I was
this back and
doing a
forth and
piece,
grab
I wouldn't
hold
even
of it.
attempt to
And
do it
there's
with that knot there.
the stitch that
This
was on
gonna
that
knock
hook.
Yeah.
that piece out.
Is that
So then I
maple?
tie it off.
No, it's just pine.
Really?
It's just pine. Now I did the storage boxes were made with the hand tools you see here.
And then
This
you might
one
want to
here
get
is
a
made out
close-up
of
of
maple.
the
Ooh,
stitch.
yeah.
Heavier stuff in it.
But it
Yeah.
makes a really nice
So I
chain
use-
stitch.
So I use maple on that one. Everything else, these are just, I keep planes in that one, which are lighter.
Wonderful,
And then I
thank
put
you.
them on the fronts of the dolls' clothes.
Your power while we try to preach the word. All is vain unless the Spirit of the Holy One comes down. Brethren, pray, and holy manna will be showered all